Welcome back, creators. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, two impact wrench brands will be going head-to-head. We have the DEWALT Impact Wrench and the Makita Impact Wrench. Cordless, battery-powered impact wrenches have evolved as technology advances, which is why many individuals are going for them instead of their pneumatic counterparts. On top of that, cordless impact wrenches also provide one great advantage, and that is mobility. Not being tied to a compressor with an air hose will allow the user to bring them virtually anywhere. Since all of us deserve only the best, we will be having two of our highest-rated impact wrenches go head-to-head. We have the DEWALT Impact Wrench and the Makita Impact Wrench, which both have garnered a 5-badge review from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com. There can only be one king in this battle, so be sure to stick around to find out who will come out on top in today's brand wars. If you are interested in other impact wrenches that we have reviewed, do check out our impact wrench review video linked below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these impact wrenches will be going toe-to-toe with is their operating power. One of the main things you need to consider before choosing an impact wrench is its power, which is measured by torque. Torque is measured in Newton meters, so the higher number translates to greater force. Impact wrenches usually range in power from 100 Newton meters to more than 1,000 Newton meters. DEWALT is capable of producing 542 Newton meters, which is just about average in terms of power. Makita, on the other hand, delivers 1,003 Newton meters, which puts it on the higher end of the spectrum. Since power does matter when choosing an impact wrench, the higher force makes for a more versatile option. In this category, Makita is the clear winner with almost double the power of its competitor. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their operating speed. Good impact wrenches come at a variety of speeds. Higher speeds are ideal for those tougher nuts and bolts, since increasing the speed setting also increases the power or torque. On top of that, if an impact wrench has the function to change its speed settings, you'll be able to prevent damage since you'll apply just the right amount of force needed. Cordless impact wrenches have speeds under 2,000 rotations per minute, so be sure to get one that operates near this speed range. DEWALT features a variable speed trigger and offers 1,500 rotations per minute, which provides an ample amount of speed for various tasks. Makita, on the other hand, also features a variable speed trigger and delivers 1,800 rotations per minute, which offers more than enough power to tackle most jobs. With a more robust operating system, Makita proves to be superior in this category. This is why we will be giving them a point in this round. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their battery. It is important to consider the battery life when shopping for an impact wrench. Also be sure to check how many batteries come with the set. 2 batteries included would be ideal since you'll have a backup just in case one battery runs out of juice. DEWALT comes with a single 20-volt 4-ampere lithium-ion battery. Meanwhile, Makita comes with 2 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, which makes it perfect for working for extended periods. The clear winner in this round is once again Makita due to its additional battery pack included in the set. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their noise. Noise isn't exactly a deciding factor when choosing an impact wrench, but a lower noise level does have its advantages. Impact wrenches are known for being quiet, but it would be best to get one that operates relatively silently to prevent distraction. DEWALT delivers 104 decibels, which is quite loud by any standard. Meanwhile, Makita's sound levels aren't far off with 97 decibels. Both these impact wrenches generate a lot of noise, much like other wrenches. But we'll have to go with the one that operates with less noise. That is why Makita takes home the crown once again. The fifth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their included accessories. Be sure to check if the tool you're going to purchase comes with any convenient accessories. More often than not, tools come with carrying bags that provide you with convenient portability. Both DEWALT and Makita come with durable, convenient carry bags designed for their impact wrenches. It is clear that this round ends in a tie with both of them having similarities in this category. The sixth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with is their LED light. Cordless power tools nowadays offer convenient LED lights that allow you to work in dim surroundings. This is no exception with impact wrenches, as you might be compelled to use them at night or in emergency situations. Although it would not affect the tool's performance, it would definitely be an advantage to get an impact wrench with this feature. Once again, this round ends in a tie since both DEWALT and Makita have a built-in LED light to illuminate dim areas. The battle is now over, and it is time to tally the scores and determine who comes out the winner in today's brand wars. The Makita Impact Wrench has garnered a total of 6 points, which means that it has scored a point in every category. However, the DEWALT Impact Wrench has only scored a total of 2 points, with both points coming from a tie. The winner is as clear as day, as Makita completely dominates the competition in nearly every aspect such as power, speed, and battery, while even being the quieter tool among the two. There is no doubt that Makita earns the championship belt in the battle of the finest. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the DEWALT Impact Wrench and the Makita Impact Wrench has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next Impact Wrench face-off which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at thetrustedshoppingguide.com again soon.